understand. Base.
Yes, I understand that I will set you free. Yes, I understand you love her more than me. I understand she won your heart, you stole your love, threw us apart. I understand,
I understand.
and so I let you go.
Let you go.
I tried my best to do the things I thought would please you, dear. I never dreamed that time would come when you would not be here. Yes, I understand what I'm supposed to do.
Supposed to do.
Finding someone else to take the place of you.
The place of you.
And if I live 100 years, I'll find some way to hide these tears. I understand,
I understand.
and so I'll let you go.
Let you go.
Go, money. Yes, I understand what I'm supposed to do.
Supposed to do.
Finding someone else to take the place of you. And if I live 100 years, I'll find some way to hide these tears. I understand,
I understand.
and so I'll let you go.
Let you go. Tú sabes que te quiero, vida mía. And you ask me not to call you on the phone, but there's something I've been wanting to tell you. So I wrote it in a word of a song. Well, I didn't know God made honky angels, and I might have known you ever made a wife.
Shout out kay
You gave up the only one that ever loved you, and went back to the one side of life. Boy, I fall to pieces each time I see you again. Hey. I fall to pieces. How can I be just your friend? Yeah. You want me to act like we never been. You want me to forget, pretend we'll never met. But I cry, yes I cry, but I am in the end. You walk by, then I walk to pieces. Oh! find someone else to love, someone who loves me too,
Iwalawal naman.
Aming Rio.
the way you used to do. But it's time I go on with someone new. You walk by, then I
Tatatibong ko na to.
to be there. You walk by, then I want to be there. Oh my love, hear my plea. Please come and be with me. For I need you, babe. Without you, I am nothing. You can blame on me all the things that makes you blue. Oh my love, believe me, I'll be missing you. I can't sleepless at night with someone's by my side, 'cause the memory of our love keeps my silence. So won't you open up your heart and believe me what I say? I need you with all my heart, babe, I love you. Please come back to me, darling. Please return your love to me, 'cause I can't be thinking about our happiness today. I've been sleeping at night.
This song is brought to you by
Someone's by my side. That's the memory of our love, keeps my heart smiling. So won't you open up your heart and believe me what I say? I need you with all my heart, babe, I love you.
Go, Manny.
Oh my love, hear my plea. Please come and be with me. For I need you, babe. Without you, I am nothing. You can blame on me all the things that makes you blue. Oh my love, believe me, I'll be missing you.
As I sit here tonight, the jukebox playing the tune about the wild side of life. As I listen to the words you are saying, it brings memories when I was a trusting wife. It wasn't God who made honky-tonk angels, as you said in the words of your song. And too many times married men think they're still single, and that has caused many good girls to go wrong. It's a shame that all the blame is on us women. It's not true that only human feel the same. From the start, most every heart that's ever broken was because there always was a man to blame. It wasn't God who made honky-tonk angels, as you said in the words of your song. Too many times married men think they're still single, that has caused many good girls to go wrong. That has caused many good girls to go wrong.